Consultants are constantly challenged to understand the industry's latest technology and standards in order to make the best recommendations for their clients. We know that you want a high-performing solution with components designed to work together and have decades of in-house technology and manufacturing expertise to support that. Over the past 2 years, we have developed a brand new connectivity system that is third-party tested for industry-leading performance, including emerging applications and on the cutting edge of technology.
The new connectivity solution is called REVConnect. R stands for reliable because it works the first time while maintaining superior performance. E stands for easy because it's an easy to learn, fast, universal termination that allows you to terminate non-bonded pair as well as bonded pair in the same amount of time. V stands for versatile because one single core termination is all you need to learn in order to install 8 different connectors, including RJ45 plugs. REVConnect is the connectivity solution for consultants who want to recommend cutting-edge technology that is reliable and dependable.